Imagine if you could send a short power message to thousands of leads within minutes. These are folks that have raised their hands stating they want to make money from home. Go Ringless Extreme, or GRE, can do just that. GRE is a powerful lead generation and lead contacting system that's easy to operate. Simply push the start button and you'll have thousands of quality phone numbers of interested people in minutes. The Go Ringless voice messaging platform will leave your recorded message directly in their voicemail box without their phone ever ringing. GRE will work with any business or program, bringing you more prospects into your business. Now you can have a daily flow of prospects viewing your business, which means more income for you. Creating leads on demand has never been easier. In addition to using GRE for your primary business, earn a lucrative income by sharing GRE with others. Listen, all marketers experience the same problem: a lack of quality leads and a way to contact them on autopilot. Earn $400 on every personal sale and earn another $400 on pass-up sales with our one-up compensation plan. This can become quite a lucrative ATM machine for you very quickly. You'll receive your very own replicated website, just like this one, that does all the selling and telling for you. Plus, if you don't like talking to people on the phone, use our professional sales and closing center to handle all your interaction with your future customers. And here's something very important. Your sales will skyrocket with our financing option, where your customers can buy now and pay later. We even have live presentations given by our Chief Marketing Officer Monday through Friday, which will seal the deal for your new prospects. If all that isn't enough, you'll have access to our secret Facebook group, where we'll teach you how to make serious money using Facebook. GRE gives you all the tools for success. As an added bonus, we're going to give you our Capture Page poster, which normally sells for $197 absolutely free. Automatically post your contact information to thousands of capture pages. In return, you'll receive those marketers' names, email addresses, and phone numbers right to your inbox. It's the ultimate in reverse marketing. So here's what you do next. Scroll down and watch the next short video, which will give you all the reasons why GRE is the perfect business for you. Go ahead and watch the video now, or click the Join Now button to get started.